Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. We had an up moving market at the very beginning of the day, nice big gap, and unfortunately it gave it all back and ended up down 0.5%. We did hit a new high for this recovery so far, so we stretched the channel that the markets have been in for the last 13 trading days just a little bit. But what was interesting about today is where the leadership came from today. So the 47 different pieces of the market that I follow, and the top six today were unique. Home builders was first, energy, banks, aerospace and defense, infrastructure, and real estate. Those six. And so if you take all 47 of those pieces of the market that I'm following and you rank them by rate of return so far this year, those six are at the bottom. Uh, and so people are coming in and buying low with some expectation that things are getting better. I mean, you don't buy home builders, which are economically sensitive, unless you think things are going to get better. So this is a signal from the market. It's one of the things we do watch for is where the leadership comes from. There's a whole bunch of other things we'd love to see, especially some of the things that have to do with consumers and some of their spending, which has not been great so far. But that's a start, and we continue to hold up. We continue to stay in this range, and so we'll have to see what happens. But that was our signal today. Some of the bottom fishing that was coming in is showing some strength overall for the market. So I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I hope I get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you very much.